Your Truly Free non-toxic signature scented softening rinse gives you the softest and most amazing smelling clothes without using any toxic and harmful chemicals. Using a non-toxic citric acid formula, your softening rinse not only softens clothes, but also removes static and gives an extra cleaning edge to your laundry wash. Refilling your jug takes less than 45 seconds. Just add warm water to the shoulder fill line, pour in 1 softening rinse refill pouch, top off with more water, and shake. It's so simple to use. Our products go a long way. You don't need a lot to get clean, softened clothes. Just choose your ounce depending on the size of the load. For regular size loads, start with a 1 ounce for a high efficiency washer. For extra soiled loads or a larger size load, add an additional 1 ounce. For standard washing machine, start with 2 ounces for a regular size load. And for extra soiled loads or larger loads, add an additional 1 ounce of softening rinse. If you have a front-loading machine, simply add softening rinse in the fabric softener section of your washing machine. For a top loader, add directly inside the drum on top of the clothes prior to washing. Now you're ready to get the freshest, cleanest, and softest clothes without ever using toxic phosphates, thickeners, or brighteners like other fabric softeners use. And remember, add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.